Hello, kada kayo aming kakabsat ken gagayem nembag bigat nembag malum nembag nga rabi yo aming nga sangapada manipud iti Liwliwa ken rayaw dagiti OFWs nga Ilocano Facebook page. Isagot ko man iti nga sonata para kadagiti amin na po nga supporters, managers, advisors, admins and founders kada kayo amin na po nga mangipatpatag tinuken tinumotibiyang iti tangatang.
When you are lonely, when you know the sadness only, let your feelings out if there's no doubt that your lover has gone away. Cry, just keep on crying when there's no more hope for trying. When you're crying, stop, let me be the one. It will give you love more each day. Now that he's gone, my time has come to give you love every day. Cry, not for tomorrow, 'cause with me there'll be no sorrow, not a tear to fall, but balls of old love and happiness will come our way. Cry, just keep on crying when there's no more hope on trying. When the year is coming down, let me be the one to give you love for each day. When your crying stop, let me be the one to give you love for each day.
Ayan, napo datangaso natin. Sagot ko kadagiti amin nga managers, admins, advisor, founders and sponsors. Ken kadagiti amin na po nga patpatgag nga viewers. Sapay kumatapag viralin nyo. Dahito'y apo nga kinantag. Thank you, Kaliwliwa kang karayaw. Ito mo tibiyang, iti nanumo nga creator host, founder iti dahito nga Facebook page, siyak ni Roderick, temporal Ben Lizardo Molina, iti mga ibatbati iti naragsak, kinagasat nga paskwayo amin nga sangapada kakabsat. Thank you very much.